Hey guys, it's Hye-Felicia here. And if you're wondering why I didn't say the other part, it's because it's a part of this no habits challenge. So what's up? So I'm getting ready to do the no habits challenge by Tay and Lou. So a lot of you felines want me to do this challenge. And I'm going to name all the habits that you said I can't do. Oh, there's a feather right there. Okay, so no big bites. So this is going to be a long video. No dipping sauces. So no saying not by Felicia. That's why I didn't say in the intro. Can't mention Prada. No fussing at Tamia. No 2 times spicy sauce. Can't say Can't touch my neck. No licking fingers. No seafood. No saying guys. No drinking. No lips hot sauce. No rocking while eating. And no sharing with the girls. So, yeah. This is going to be hard. I think somebody said, I don't know if they said no licking my tongue out or something. I think that's going to be hard because when I eat, for some reason, my tongue goes out. But we're going to try it. And no big bites. So this is going to be really hard with this cheesy burger from WAYBACK, French fries, and the dog with their thing called Works. Anyway, so we're going to pray over the food. Amen. So, did y'all get those habits? So we're going to start with these fries. I hope they're good.
Done.
No big bites.
She wants one.
These fries are nasty. Ooh, I just said. Well, fell that one. Habit.
I ate it wrong.
I did not do it. Let me do a thumbnail. It's the biggest bite y'all gonna see. Maybe that'll work. Anyway, so let's take a bite of this cheesy burger. How am I supposed to take small bites? Small bite.
No.
I'm never gonna finish this burger like this. I'm never gonna finish this burger. So feline. I know I was about to say the other word. I went into WAYBACK and I almost threw up from the smell. Yeah, it smelled like death. I started to turn around. I'm like, I'm already here. But I think I should have left. Anywho, I asked the girl, what was that smell? And she said it was a sink. It smelled so bad. I was about to throw up on that counter. Yeah. And then I posted a status on Facebook and everyone said, leave. I think they failed the health inspection. That's why you gotta pray over your food. Okay. Small bites. You guys didn't say tiny bites. Like if I took a big bite, it would be like this. right? So I'm taking small bites. That's a small bite. I do like their cheesy burgers though. Okay, this is the hot dog. This is the works. Their works. What is this? Oh, I can't lick my finger. This is the works. Let's see. It is so cold. This is cold. How am I supposed to take a small bite of this?
They should have said no complaining. Yeah. Jesus.
This is gonna be a long video, y'all. What kind of hot dog is this? It didn't say I couldn't talk to Tamia. It just said no fussing. Tamia, can you please come? Because she can't do that. Dang. I can't take no small bites. This is it said no big bites. It says no big bites. Can't lick my fingers. Tamia is doing this on purpose. She has she right there, right next to me. And I can't say, I can't mention. I can't mention. There's so many words that want to come out of my mouth that I can't say. Felines, you know, a lot of times I don't really drink in my videos, but right now I'm very, very thirsty. This isn't working out for me. Am I doing okay with these small bites? And my phone is gonna die. Y'all know I record on my phone. The cheesy burger tastes like a grilled cheese. I like the buttered bun. Ooh, I'm not supposed to say. Is it? Or, can't remember, but I know I failed that one. Small bites. Am I doing okay with the small bites? Oh, I didn't even give you guys any. Sorry. Today would be one of those days that I would like to dip these fries in something because they are so dry. I don't even know why I got the fries. Ooh. Lick my tongue out. Sea lions. I do not like. You see these little ends? I do not like those. Can't lick my fingers. Getting back to the burger. This is so, I got no napkins. So I'm not doing Vlogmas this year. A lot of people are doing Vlogmas and I'm enjoying the videos. I'm enjoying Faith Squad. It's whining. Who else videos I watched? I gotta watch a few more Vlogmas. I did Vlogmas last year. So if you want to see that, I should make a playlist for it. Vlogmas 2018. It's very time consuming. Vlogging every day of December. So, you know, and I work a full-time job, so very hard. No, I can't see. But Tamia is not downstairs. And you know who is down here. And I have to make sure she's not, let's do this. She's not being out of line. So you're gonna hear her. I do not know what she's doing right now. No, I want to say her name, but oh, she's playing with a ball. Okay. I think this is enough of the No Habits Challenge because I'm sorry, guys. I gotta eat. I did enough of small bites Right? Right. Oh, feather. So, I'm gonna eat my burger the way I would normally eat it. I think I should have just left way back. I haven't had it in a while, but, and y'all know they're expensive. This, and this was $17 and something. That was too much to be walking in there, and I'm like, what is that smell? I wanted to make sure it wasn't dead meat. Dead meat. How do we get this kind of meat, right? But y'all know what I'm talking about. Old meat. I mean, it smelled bad. Then I was trying to figure out what I wanted. She was like, I'll be right back. That's why it'd only be like 2 cars in the parking lot. I should have known better. This, y'all just don't know. This hot dog is frozen. I mean frozen. I like the grilled onions though. I don't know what kind of mustard this is. I can't take it no more, y'all. I need a straw. I'm thirsty. I don't have a straw. These habits were not good. Y'all was trying to get me. Why do McDonald's sell fruit punch and it tastes like water? It just tastes like colored water. I need to write them. If I want a fruit punch, let it be bad. Uh-oh, she messing. Come here. Let's see that. What is that? Something black she got. What is that? Oh, no. No, that's for my, she biting my thing. I'm telling you, these dogs be getting everything. Sorry. Not all that in y'all face. I don't even know why I'm making myself eat this right now. And plus my phone is dying. And I know I probably lost y'all right here. Or before. Taking them little tiny bites. This challenge is a fail. So since I failed, Prada, move. Move. Y'all, I gotta say something to her. I don't know what she's doing. All right, so you know what? Remember, don't forget to like. I'm about to end this. Okay, we about to end this. You guys have a wonderful day, wonderful evening, night, morning, whatever time of day this is. And remember to put a smile on your face. You never know what one is going through. So, yeah, you look better when you smile anyway. All right, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell notification so that you're notified of all new videos that I upload. Good night, guys, or good morning, or whatever. I love you all. Mwah.